Good morning, friends. Just sharing some knowledge on how to use the Taiwan capsules. I have two sizes of Taiwan capsules. This is 35 typically for British India. This is 30 typically said to be used for Republic India. Now we have this Dabu coins which are bigger in size, and if we use this 30 then the double coin along with the foam will not fit into this 30 capsule. It will just go in here and the foam won't come inside. So forcibly, due to the size, we have to go for 35 capsule for this bigger size coin, um, for double especially. I will only cover the black foam with 35 in another video. I'll try to share some more details about the white foam, how to use white foam and the 30 capsule. So I'm just removing this. So how to use now is this what I found. Maybe some of you may have a better idea, but this is what my finding is. Now double coin fits into the last ring. Okay, and I'll just pull out the last ring. I have a spare last ring here. Okay, so I'll just pull it out gently. All right, so if I put the double coin here, you see this last ring is not working. It's too loose, right? And now what do we need to do is we need to leave the last ring here. Okay, I'll just put it back in the leaf and I'll pull in another one, the second last ring. And by the way, I forgot to mention one point. This black foam is little thicker and much better in quality than the white foam. Those probably the white foams along with the 30 capsules are little delicate to handle. This is little more thick, so easy to handle. Plus the cuts are also better and bigger in size, so it becomes easy to handle the black foam, especially with a bigger size of capsules. So now this is the next ring. This is the outer ring. I'm going to pull out for double coin. I'm going to pull out the second last ring. Now if you see, this ring is not going to fit in this double coin. So just like we use the rubber band, we expand the rubber band. I just put it and slightly stretch it like a way we pull out the rubber band. It's quite thick, durable, so this would fit in. And just stretch the second last ring in such a way that it fits the outer rim of the double coin. Now it's perfectly fitted. My UNC coin of double goes inside the ring perfectly. Okay, now I'll open this 35 capsule. This fits in well. What happens is that when we try to expand this second last ring, it perfectly fits into the 35 capsule, almost to the size of the capsule. There is little uh, uh, space here, but that is something which we can manage, not a problem. So just close this. Some of the double coins I've seen, they are perfectly, when I close the capsule, that space is also gone and the double coin doesn't move from its position. Here it's slightly moving, but that's fine. Okay, now the double coin is inside with a proper space and proper display. And now the benefit of doing this is that I have the outer ring, which is the most critical ring, two spare rings. Okay, I'll pull out this outer ring to put my British India coins inside another 35 capsule. So basically what we are doing is, just within one circular foam, we are using one circular foam to put two coins into capsules. So we are saving this foam, which is going to be very crucial. Now I have this Indo-Portuguese coin. This was Gem BUNC coin, but just see what has happened to this coin. The toning is happened because this was put in a in a coin holder in this pouch. So this is been toned, but I'm certainly I'm not a big fan of cleaning the coins. So I will just put this Indo-Portuguese rupiah into this last ring. You know, it fits in well. But there is another challenge that I found. If I just try to put in the coin along with this foam, you know, it becomes little difficult. Sometimes it fits in, sometimes it does not. So better what I found is just put the ring first inside the capsule, fit in nicely, and then you put your coin inside that. Ideally the coin should not be touched by hands, but I'm just doing this to display how to use the capsules, how to insert the capsules, and what are the best practices to help you all. So now you just push the coin in such a way that the coin goes inside. Now it perfectly fits. There is no struggle that you have to do with respect to pushing the coin along with this. So now it fits in perfectly. Just close the lid, and now you know your coin is ready. So you see, just by one circular foam, I am able to use two bigger coins, one Republic India, and one British India. The same size, Edward, Victoria, King George, any of those sizes will be mostly the same. This is Indo-Portuguese, similar size of British India. So the outer ring is used for the British India. The second last ring is used for storing some 20 rupees coins or 10 rupees coins which are bigger, where we have a struggle of putting those coins in the 30 mm capsule. I hope this video helps all. Thank you.